good with y'all? What's good with y'all? We tuning in for another video, man. Today we getting it in with Big Meech, man. Like I said, man, I was originally gonna hide the series or whatever, but I was like, forget it, man. I'm at a standstill, so I want to keep some good content coming for y'all. Cause Dolo about to get ready to go back to Joe Buddy Racing, and well, at the time you're looking at this video, it's already there. But you know, but today we about to work on Meech. About to get everything out here, get my air compressor and all that. We're gonna be doing the engine bay. So we're gonna be painting the engine bay, getting it ready. Cause like I said, this series is gonna be pretty short. Cause everything already ready. Like the engine and transmission gonna go in all at the same time. So you know it's gonna be like a pretty quick and smooth install. So yeah, that's what we got going on today. We're gonna get that done, and it's probably gonna be it, man. Just engine bay. Just show y'all a quick little way you can do it. And this is when I probably would need a pressure washer, but I don't think the engine bay will Meech that bad. So it shouldn't be too much work, man. I'm probably gonna hit it with some purple power and just hit it with the water hose, and you know, get the AC compressor out. Not AC compressor, I'm tripping. Tripping still early. Get the air compressor out, blow all the leaves and straw and all that off on the hood, and then we're gonna paint it up and make that thing look real pretty. So y'all stay tuned, man. Hope y'all been enjoying the video. I've been trying to get y'all daily uploads, you know, trying to make it do what it do. So hopefully I get one of my rides back. Hopefully they have oil pressure soon, or John get back or something, man, and I can start getting y'all some action, man, cause I know that's what y'all waiting on. I'm ready for it too. So yeah, that's it. That's enough of that. Let's get into it. Alright, so I got my air compressor all ready. We set it to 125 PSI cause I need some pressure to blow this stuff. We got all this right here to blow. And I'm finna get the tool. Let me take that down first. Let's do that. So I'm gonna get the box off here first, and then I'm gonna start blowing. Try to get all this hay blue off of it and stuff, this straw. And then next I'm gonna spray it down the water hole. This is why I need a pressure washer. That's gonna be my next purchase, a pressure washer. So that's on the way. But I'm finna do what I can. It ain't gotta be perfect, but I'm gonna do what I can. At least not right now, it don't. So stay tuned. Let's get it. Okay, so we got the old MSD box off. I'm probably gonna take that out too. And man, there's a lot of holes in that board from what stuff been mounted. Slick want to cover it up, but it's gonna be alright every time, cause it goes straight inside of the car. So I don't know. I'm gonna do something about that. I ain't gonna just leave it like that, cause I can see clean through the car right now. Y'all probably can too. So I'm gonna do something about that later, but said for now I'm just gonna paint. I'm trying to spray, see how much of that hay we can get off here. I'm finna just spray it down real good, try to blow some of that pollen away too. And then I'm gonna have to hit it with the water hose or something, man. I'm probably gonna dash the last of the purple power on here, boy. Y'all gonna hate me, cause I'm finna just splash it everywhere. Boy, it finna be purple power everywhere. So I'm about to do that. We're gonna get the we're gonna hook up the air compressor first. Then we're gonna do the blower, then the purple power. It's gonna be purple power dripping everywhere. Then we're gonna get the water hose and just kind of rinse it out, cause it ain't no real grease on the hood, so I should be alright. Normally you'll need to use a pressure washer or go to the car wash, but I just really got pollen build up on the hill. But look, y'all, look how clean Meech came, boy. Woo, woo. I told y'all gonna wash the other day, boy. I'm talking about it came clean, but it's still some imperfections in the paint job, man. So I mean, it look good. It's a far away car. It look good far away now. Cause it did come clean though. All that black stuff came off of it. Meech clean up pretty good. I mean, especially for the car to be painted as long as it been painted. And you know, I keep it on the cover now, so ain't no pollen setting on it and all that. And speaking of that, the other cover just came. Well, it was right there. Wifey moved it, but the other car cover came. So now we got the cover for Dolo, and we got the cover for Meech. So that's enough talking. Let me go in the house, get the purple power, but we're finna hook this up first. Alright. We got everything hooked up. So let me see. I'm gonna come over here and we finna get to it. See it, we're getting it done. Alright, so I got it all blowed all pretty good. It's alright. At least the areas are the main areas I'm gonna paint. See, it's pretty straight. See, little stuff like that. That's what I'm talking about, the little holes there crawl in the car. Ain't no telling what's in that car, but it is what it is. Like I said, we got it pretty blowed off pretty good. I can't talk. Pretty good. Except that little corner over there, but I'm not really tripping on this corner too heavy. Cause it ain't a lot gonna be seen right there. I'm gonna have to put a glove on it. I'm gonna have to put a glove on and dig that out pretty much. Like I said, the main areas right here, we good. Well, I was out of my purple power, but it's cool cause I got, bam, hold on, we too bright. So it ain't no purple power today. So that's what we using, it's still bright. That's what we using right here. Yes indeed, this will get it done. So I'm about to spray it, I'm just about to spray it down very well. And matter of fact, now I gotta take my picture. I'm gonna spray it down and then, boy, I like got a tack. I'm gonna spray it down and then we're gonna hit it with the water hose. Got all that on, then we're gonna get the paint after that. So we're getting this bad boy sprayed down, y'all, and making it do what it do. Gonna make it look brand new. And my aunt would say brand spanking. You know, he real deal old school. But getting everything sprayed down, woo, but it's still loud. Wear your mask, man. Y'all wearing masks anyway out here. I ain't wearing no mask. But this stuff rough, just like purple power. I'm sure some of y'all know about this stuff. Shoot, boy, I might not have to. Good it is looking already, might not have to paint it. But we making it do what it do. Yes, indeed. So we just sprayed everything down. Yes, indeed. We looking better already. We looking better already. Let me lighten this thing up for y'all. We already looking better. We got all that pollen gone. But now, we just gotta let it, had to be careful over there in that area, of course, like I told y'all. But now we just gotta let everything dry. I got to let everything completely dry. That's why I want to pick a hot day at 80-something degrees. I want to pick a hot day to do this, because I know I'm gonna have to let it dry before, completely dry, before I throw some paint on it. So I'm gonna let this sit for a second. And when it dry, I'm gonna throw that wet on there. So y'all what my wrist game like. Yeah, y'all see, I got them working. I got them working today. They tired. Hut, 2, 3, 4, hut, 2. Come on, soldier. Come on, soldier. Look, they tired. Gotta make them work, man. Can't let these kids sit around the house. Gotta make them work, man. Show them how to earn they living. I'm raising some entrepreneur, but they gotta work. They still gotta work. Got no hard work, but engine bay all dry. Like I said, actually it looked pretty good. Meech don't look bad, cause I mean it ain't been sitting up, like I said, it ain't resting all that. But we still gonna hit it with that pretty gloss black. Y'all know what I use. VHT. Engine paint. So we about to make it do what it do. So y'all check it out. Y'all check out the before. You wanna see what we looking like after. Stay tuned. So we all shiny, we good to go. We looking way better than what it was looking. Like I said, it didn't look that bad to me anyway after I cleaned it. But we in there, we all shiny black. I just sprayed down everything. I sprayed everything down. I hit it light over there, cause like I said, it's holes and stuff. But we're gonna straighten all that out, especially when the big block goes in here. Everything is gonna be like it's supposed to. Probably gonna be some stuff missing out of here anyway. It already not hard to nothing under the hood. It's only just starter wise basically, but it probably gonna be even less when the big block go in here. But yeah, man, we in there. We all painted. Like I said, we all painted right here. We all glossed now. At least you can make it, you can make your engine bay look better or whatever. And you can have a nice looking engine, and up under the hood can look pretty good. So that's what we going for. Like I said, the deed is done. That's it for today. That little engine bay restoration. So like I said, not gonna be many videos. This probably pretty much it for Meech. I mean, as far as the build series. Next videos, the engine should be going in the car, getting prepped to go in the car. And we're gonna be ready to ride. I gotta get my little wheel situation straightened out. Like I said, I'm gonna change the front load pattern to a big 5 like that to match the back, cause I took the tire off. It need rotors and brakes, and I need all that stuff like I did the Dolo. So since I gotta replace them anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and change them to the big 5, the 9C1 rotors or the station wagon rotors. The spindle is the same, so I'll be doing that. And then I gotta find, some tires and stuff. Like I said, I might buy some 6s for this car. I found a deal on some. I might just get them. Cause you got imperfections, man. Like just a four-way car. Like you see the trim coming out the car. I showed y'all the spot on the side, some spots in the trunk, on the the bumper filler crack. You see it crack right here. It's imperfections, man. I mean, it's literally a four-way car. Cause if you saw it going up the highway, you'll be like, oh, that thing clean. Cause from far away, even from here, and see it's a 50-footer. Even from here, it look nice. So going up the highway, it'll look alright, but the only reason, like I said, literally the only reason I'm probably gonna put some rims on the car, some 6s, is to calm the rear end gear down. Cause I don't wanna change the gear. So that's literally the only reason I'm probably gonna put some rims on it, some wheels on it, so I ain't gotta bother with taking the gear out and all that good stuff. But we in the game. That's it. Like I said, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Just showing y'all the way you can go about it if you ain't gotta pressure wash and all that stuff. And you know, you can, like I said, you can make your engine bay look a whole lot better. So that's it. Engine be going in soon. Y'all just stay tuned to this series. Like I said, originally it's supposed to be a surprise, but hey, things change, man. So that's it for today. Catch y'all on the next video. I'm out.